Check out this specimen. Obviously the crystal points are mostly broken off, but I was just going through some boxes of old stuff and I don't even remember this rock. I don't remember where I found it. It was just wrapped up in bubble wrap. But I haven't seen this thing for years. Just such a gorgeous chunk. It reminds me of the stuff that the Magic Miners channel finds out in California area. Those guys are friggin' amazing. I wish I was friends with them. I need somebody to take me out and find some amazing stuff like this. Pardon the cat hair. Thanks, baby. Oh, it's tough. I'll have cat hair until I don't have a cat anymore, and then for years after that. But what a beautiful specimen, huh? Isn't that just gorgeous, even with the broken points and all? You know, I found this in some landscape rock or somewhere, you know, in my exploits, just digging around, but it's obviously been rolled and busted up. But I'm pretty impressed, and I can't believe I can't remember this thing. But when I find a good rock, I hold on to it. Anyway, thanks for checking out my specimen. See you later, guys.